Ooh, a baby.
Stay the danger!
Let me adopt you.
Hey, Ozzy, wake up!
Let me invite you from our family.
Hey, yay! What? Okay, let me write you. Yay! Oh, okay.
Car, vroom vroom. So, you wanna go to the hospital?
Yes, and the hot spring, so I can, I forgot, the hot spring, and shower because I'm nasty. Nobody wants to adopt me.
I adopt you. Okay, let me talk with Dr. Hart so she help us.
No, I'm scared from doctors. I'm scared from doctors.
So come. I'm not gonna do with it. I'm not going to do with her. Just come. Come here, little boy.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna see who's doctor in here.
Nurse me, hi.
So let's see if there's a doctor in anywhere. Hi, miss. I could help him. Okay, I need to go, so help him. Okay, come, my little boy. Yep, I wanted you to sit in here. Let me do.
You're so good.
Let me check on laptops.
I'm good.
On laptops. Okay, I think you're good. Nothing is bad on you. Let's check Ozzy if he's sick.
Don't be scared, Ozzy.
Wait. Okay, let's check Ozzy.
Don't be sad. And you will not be safe. I don't know.
Okay,
It doesn't hurt,
let's
right?
see the computer.
Don't you worry.
Let me.
Is he good, Mrs. Doctor?
Let me check.
Is he good?
Okay, he's also good. Nothing. He don't have any problem. Stay in here. I'm gonna call your mother.
Okay. Hey, I like this doctor place. I'm going to hide from my mother. Hey. I think I'm sure. No, I'm not. Let's go. No, Ozzy, you're coming out my please. No, please, please. Ozzy, come.
Okay. Thanks, doctor. Okay, where is he? No, here in this door. Oh, okay, thanks. Where is he? Where did he go? Oh, found you. Little sneaky. Come. Come. Come here, little boy. Gonna go to the hot spring. Don't you want to go to the hot spring?
I want to shower. No. First, I want to go to hot spring.
Okay, we are going there. We are going there right now. Wait a second. No! I was going to do something. I was not going to arrive there anyways. Okay, we need to go because you need to sleep.
I don't want to go to hot spring anymore. It's night. I want to sleep and chill and eat. I'm hungry and I'm thirsty also.
Okay.
And I'm hungry.
Okay, let's go. Okay, where?
Hey, Ozzy! This is coming to me. Left behind. Hey!
Okay, let's go home. Now we are riding the monkey. Do you know those ladybugs? They're really noisy.
Yeah.
It's not right. Okay, let's get in the house.
Hey, we're in
Let me drop everybody from you.
But for me, I'm not funny. I'm not even that.
Yeah. Okay.
Ouch. Where's the bathroom?
Go.
I think I found it.
I'm gonna go to the
Yay!
shower. Okay, fine.
Ozzy, Ozzy.
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 Okay, come on.
Ozzy's the best.
Come.
Put them in.
Yeah.
Hey, get out, man. I am going to shower. I'm coming to hell. Oh, Ozzy, get out of the shower.
No.
I'm hungry. I'm thirsty, and Ozzy's hungry. Where are you?
Coming.
Here.
Okay,
I'm hungry.
come.
I'm hungry.
Okay. And I'm gonna give you a sandwich. Eat it.
Thanks.
Healthy food is sandwich.
I gave my Ozzy a little bit of my sandwich.
Okay. Okay, coming. Okay, come with me.
Wait, but I'm thirsty.
Thirsty? Come, we're gonna get water.
And I need to shower again.
I'll go shower.
I'm sleepy a little bit.
No, go shower.
Put me in the shower. I don't know why I'm not doing it.
Why?
I don't know what happened. Put Ozzy, please. Put Ozzy.
I bet him.
Okay.
Wow, he's showering by himself. Okay, come with me.
What about the school?
Yeah, we need to go to school.
But I don't want to go to school.
But you need to.
The teacher always gets mad on me. I don't do anything.
No, I hope this time she don't.
Okay.
I hope Ozzy get broken so we know who is inside.
It's an Ozzy guy. Hey.
Yeah, it probably could be a turtle. Okay. What's you gonna be lucky if you getting a turtle? So now go to school. Both of you. Wait the teacher in the class. Wait the teacher in the class. She's almost coming. I hope. Yeah, she's coming. Okay. Hello, class.
Hi, Mrs.
Rosa. No, my name
Rosa.
is Mrs. Cindy.
Huh? Hi, Emu. This is my new pet, Mrs. Rosa.
Rosa, what? My name is Mrs. Sandy.
Sandy, I don't care. I don't remember teacher's name.
My name is Teacher Cindy, if I write my name correct. Okay. Okay, I mean, get this emu out of
No!
here.
Get back, Emu! Emu! I forgot what he's called. Emu!
Wait,
Okay, doesn't matter.
he's not going to sleep. I'm gonna do for him something. Come.
Mrs. Sandy, where are you?
Come. Get this emu out of here. Get him out. Put for him this toy.
What?
Do this toy for him.
What? Oh my god, learned how to sit. Yay!
Do for him. I gave you a toy. Click it. Let him
What?
click on the toy so he be here and you there. Okay, come with me. Leave him alone. Okay, let's now. Today we're going. You already know English. Today we're going to learn French. First word is. First word is bonjour. Means hi. Bonjour.
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 Okay, we finished the class of the French. Now we are going to do PE.
Okay.
Or exercises. Okay.
I know.
I don't know what to say. Okay. Do this.
How am I supposed to do this?
In activities. Do this.
Wait.
Not to dance. Do exercises with me.
Wait.
Do exercises.
I like to dance.
Click on yourself and do activities, jumping jacks. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, enough. Okay, now do. Wait a second. Do a backflip.
Okay.
Do a backflip. In 3.
I cannot. Wait.
We're gonna do it in the same time. In 3.
I cannot do it.
In 3. When I say go, do it. Goodbye, guys.
Okay,
See you in the next video.